Soil compaction occurs when the soil particles are pressed down, reducing pore space and airflow. This can happen naturally over time, but it's often caused by heavy machinery or foot traffic. Compacted soil makes it harder for plants to grow, as their roots cannot penetrate the dense soil. It can also lead to drainage problems, as water can't easily move through the compacted soil. Soil compaction affects the overall health of the soil and can decrease its ability to hold water and nutrients. One way to prevent soil compaction is by avoiding heavy machinery or excessive foot traffic in the area. Using organic matter, like compost, can also help improve the structure of the soil and prevent compaction. Regularly aerating the soil, either by hand or with a specialized tool, can also reduce compaction. Another method is planting cover crops, as their roots can help break up compacted soil. In extreme cases, deep tillage or subsoiling may be necessary to alleviate soil compaction.